Johnny's Bar and Grill, Mexican and American cuisine with daily and weekly specials, juicy burgers, mouth-watering tacos, and more. 1519 West Highway 150 in Lincolnton.
I'm Ralph Mangum. This is Community Focus on the WHKY News. Community Focus is brought to you by Appalachian State University's An Appalachian Summer. Beginning Monday, July 7th, WHKY's popular morning programs will get an earlier start. Kick off your weekday mornings with First News at 5 and 5:30 a.m., keeping you informed with the latest local news. Next, from 6 to 9 a.m., tune in for the long-running listener favorite program, First Talk with Al Rowe. Celebrating nearly 25 years on the air, First Talk features in-depth conversations, local insight, and community-focused topics every weekday morning. Then it's On Second Thought, hosted by Chuck Boozer. The time slot will remain the same, 9 a.m. to noon. The rest of the weekday schedule includes Sean Hannity, Clay Travis, and Buck Sexton, and Mark Levin. Listen live at WHKY.com or tune in on 1290 AM and 102.3 FM. An operator is being sought by the NCDMV for an area tag office. Rob Eastwood explains.
The North Carolina Division of Motor Vehicles, or NCDMV, is seeking applicants for a commissioned contractor to operate a license plate agency, or LPA, in Watauga County. In North Carolina, the NCDMV oversees the operation of the LPAs. However, they are managed by a private business or local government. The contract for the current agency at 274 Winklers Creek Road, Suite A in Boone expires on December 14th. The agency has been owned and operated by Watauga County government since 2006. The division's policy is to open applications to operate a license plate agency at the expiration or end of a contract, or when the need arises for a new or additional agency in a certain county. Completed applications must be returned to the NCDMV no later than June 27th. Interested applicants may call 919-615-8521 with questions. All applications must now be submitted by email to applicationlpa@ncdot.gov. No mail-in applications will be accepted. You can get more on this by going to this story at our website, WHKY.com. Once again, that deadline to file an application to potentially run the LPA in Boone that is closing in December is June 27th. Reporting for WHKY News, I'm Rob Eastwood.
Thanks, Rob. With news from a local hospital, here's Ariana Mack.
Fry Regional Medical Center recently hosted the 2025 Eastern Division Patient Experience Summit, emphasizing the importance of quality care for all patients. The event provides a detailed discussion about the challenges and barriers of providing exceptional patient experiences and how to overcome them as a comprehensive team. The PX Summit provides an opportunity for current and upcoming nursing leaders to develop new skills and practices to take with them as they return to their respective hospitals. CNOs and SNOs participated with interactive workshops like role-play-based training sessions, bedside shift report escape rooms, and leader rounding checkoffs. Each workshop had a hospital support center expert that provided tips and coaching to strengthen and improve patient care processes. The workshops then facilitated in-depth conversations that included success stories and identified opportunities for improvement. I'm Ariana Mack for WHKY.
Thank you, Ariana. Lenoir City Council staff and friends opened the new splash pad at the Lenoir Rotary Soccer Complex Saturday. The city held a ribbon cutting, celebrated Flag Day, and dedicated the new Lenoir Rotary Club Peace Pole at the park. City Council approved the splash pad project in 2024. Contractors finished the splash pad earlier this year. Contractors added the walking loop, and Public Works finished the landscaping and renovated the restrooms in the past few weeks. The project was funded by a Parks and Recreation Trust Fund grant, state capital infrastructure funding, and local funds. The splash pad and restrooms will be open daily from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. from May to September. Read more at WHKY.com. That wraps up Community Focus and the WHKY News today. On behalf of Rob Eastwood, Ariana Mack, and Jason Savage, I'm Ralph Mangum.